Hello, welcome and welcome back. I am Brittany Mills and thanks for tuning in. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I do my braid out, and I will be using a red color wax just to add a little pop of color. I will also be showing you guys the products that I will be using for this style and also adding it to the description. If you would like to see my process, stay tuned to the end of the video. So I am starting off with freshly washed hair. I'm just going to be sectioning my hair, adding the products and then the color.
Big drip, talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Alphabet, baby.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mine, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Write my own rhymes.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna
I just
know.
like to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. Know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, baby. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine. But every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural. Edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take yo. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. Moody.
When I get towards the end of the braid, I like to leave about an inch so I can do a 2-strand twist and then twirl it on my finger to make a curl. You also probably noticed that I left a piece of hair out. As I'm braiding the next section above, I'm just going to braid it into that section. As you can see, I end up taking off the gloves and just using my hands, which was so much better and faster for me.
Build it, will y'all really come? Come. Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I From the past to future play, or change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need. But to actualize it, I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me? Honor me. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Ready to talk, baby. Can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you. Just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be. Didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just thought I'd let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time.
I am now finished braiding up my whole head. It took me about 2.5 hours, which wasn't too bad because my hair is pretty thick. I am now going to start unbraiding the braids. So all of my braids not completely even on each strand. So with that being said, I can't always just pull it apart as you see me doing. Some braids I was able to, but some I wasn't. But I would say be consistent throughout the whole braid as far as how much hair you have on each section. So now I'm just, like I said, unraveling it. Look at my curls. My curls are popping. So now I'm just going to keep unbraiding the braid and pulling it apart.
Take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I
So now I am completely done. This is the final look and I love it. The color is popping and so are my curls. Like I said, I love this color, but it is pretty messy, so I will say that. And what I mean by that, it gets everywhere on your hands, everywhere. So I would say be careful and just be prepared for the color transferring to everything.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why I got you innocent. You wanna take a
As I mentioned, I love the color, but I did want to make sure that I mentioned that I had a lot of flakes when I was unbraiding my hair. And I think the reason being is because I used product and I should have just used the color wax and of course water. But I would recommend, if you use this color wax, do not use any other products other than hair oil when you're unraveling the braid. So I did use hair oil before I start taking down my braids. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, I am completely done. This is the final look of my hair. I love it and I love the color. I will say I will try this again, but I have to be mindful of not using any other products. But I hope you guys truly enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. And until next time, I'll see you in my next video.